Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. So from today we are starting a new video series on Microsoft PowerPoint. Hoping you will enjoy this series. So first of all, let's talk about the PowerPoint. How can you open your Microsoft PowerPoint? Just you have to go in the run by pressing Windows key plus R and just type PowerPoint, okay, and just click in the OK button. Now our PowerPoint is opening. Now see, this is the first window of Microsoft PowerPoint. And from here you can see there are lots of templates also available. You can use these templates also to create a beautiful slideshow. But if you want to create your own blank presentation, first of all you have to click in the blank presentation. So it's okay for me. So this is the interface of Microsoft PowerPoint. So from here you can learn Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's talk about the Microsoft PowerPoint. So what is Microsoft PowerPoint? Microsoft PowerPoint is one of the most popular program which is created by Microsoft, and lots of people are using to create beautiful presentations. And if you are going to give a presentation in front of seminars and business meeting, in that case you can use this software and you can animate your text, you can animate your images and shapes, and you can even you can animate your smart art and chart and everything. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. Now you can see there are lots of bars available. The first bar is the title bar. From here you can minimize and you can make the small screen, you can make it full screen, or you can close your program also from here. And now see, below the title bar there is a menu bar. So from here you can see there are lots of menu available, and from the clipboard you can see there are lots of sections available, like the Microsoft Word. And if you don't know about the Microsoft Word, you can check my playlist. I have already uploaded the video series on the Microsoft Word. So there is a clipboard sections, slide sections, font section, paragraph section, drawing section and editing section inside the home menu. So first of all we go from the file menu. So if you want to create a new slideshow, from here you can create a new slideshow. And now see, it's came like the before, and from here you can search. If you have internet connection, you can search the template also from here, and you can use the this kind of templates also. And from the open, if you have created a slideshow before, then you can open your previous slideshow from here. And from the shape, you can shape your presentation inside OneDrive, inside computer, in your favorite place. You can shape your slideshow PowerPoint slideshow. And from the print, you can print also your slideshow. From here you can choose the printer and how many copies you want to print. You have to choose after that, or you can choose you can print by choosing the page number also. And from here you can share your presentation to using email. You can present online, or you can publish in the website, okay. And from the export, you can create the PDF and XPS document. You can create a video also from here, or you can make a CD also. You can create handouts also, or you can change file type also, okay. So it's amazing. So from here you can close your files from here, okay. So first of all, so I'm going from the new, so I'll create a blank presentation. And you can see there is an account also available. If you have a Microsoft account available like this, and you can use, and from here it will give you will get more features from here. And from the options you can use lots of options from here. So just wait for a moment. So let's talk about the home menu. So inside the home menu you can see there are lots of sections available. The first section is clipboard sections. From here you can cut, copy, paste. So first of all I'll type something. Hello, hi. So I have typed hello. So if you want to copy this text, so from here you have to click in the copy. Now see, or you can directly press Ctrl+C also. After this just you have to click in the paste. Now see, it's done, right? And if you want to delete this all the text, then in that case you have to click in the cut. Now see, it's done. And if you want to bring that files like before, then in that case you have to click in the undo, or you can directly press the Ctrl+Z also. Okay, so from the format painter also you can use the same styles like this. So just wait for a moment. And I'm writing from here, this is format painter, just wait for a moment. Format painter sample. Okay, now see, here is your my font size is 60, and if I want to use the styles and the colors in the format painter sample also, in that case you have to use format painter. So first of all you have to select this one and just go here, and from the format painter you can use this. Okay, just wait for a moment, it's not working. I think I should to select this one, and from here just wait for a moment. What happened to this? I think this one is not working. Now see, it's came in the same size and styles, right? So if you want to use these features, you have to use format painter. And from the new slide you can create new slide. And first of all you have to choose the layout from here. Now see, there are lots layouts available. You can use title slide, title and content, section header, lots of layout available, but I'm choosing blank. Now see, my before there was only one slideshow, right? Now see, there is a 2 slideshow available inside my presentation. So from the layout you can change the layout of your slide. Now I'm using the blank, and from here you can choose the title and content also. You can use section header, lots layout available, or you can make it reset also like before. Just wait for a moment. If you want to make it reset, in that case you have to use this one, reset. And from the section also you can add sections. Now see, there was a section available, and from here you can rename this one. So this section's name is untitled sections, right? So if I want to give a name to the sections, I can second section. So I'm giving the name of the section second slide. Okay, and after this just click in the rename. Now see, our slide name is changed, section name is changed. Okay, and there is another section available, that is font section. And from here you can increase and decrease the font size. From here you can change the font. And now see, there are lots fonts available, and if you want to change the size of the font you can change from here. And if you want to increase and decrease, in that case you can use this one. And from the clear formatting, you can clear all the formatting like before. Now see, before my text was like this, so you can make it bold, you can make it italic, and if you want to use underline, in that case you have to use U. Now see, there is underline inside my document, but you can press directly Ctrl+B, Ctrl+I, and Ctrl+U also. And there is a text shadow also. If you want to use the shadow inside your text, in that case you can use the text shadow also. And now see, there is a little bit shadow inside my text. And from here you can make it strike through also, or you can increase the text space from here. You can make it very loose also, you can make it tight also, you can make it very tight also. It depends on your requirement. And from here you can change the case. From here you can make a sentence case. If you want to make all the capital words, in that case you can make it uppercase. If you want to make all the small letters, in that case you can use lowercase. And if you want to make capital each word, in that case you have to capitalize each words. Okay, there is a toggle case also available. So from the paragraph section you can use bullets and numbering. So from here, if you want to use the bullets and numbering, you have to use this one. Okay, just wait for a moment. Now see, there are lots bullets available, but first of all you have to select this one, and from here I think I should use this one. It's not working. What happened? Just wait for a moment. So I'll go in the slide number 2, and from here I'll choose the layout blank, and I'll bring a text box from here. Just wait for a moment. Okay, and if I want to use the bullets, from here, see, there is a bullets available, right? And in the side of the bullets you can see there is a small arrow available, and from here you can change the you can use the bullet library also. From here there are lots bullets library available. Okay, and from the numbering you can give a number also, like this, or you can make it Roman also, you can make it ABC also. There are lots option available. And from here, just wait for a moment, you can increase the list level also, see, and you can decrease the list level. And from here you can increase and decrease the line spacing, how much space you want to leave. See, there are lots option available, but now I'm using 1.0. And from here you can change the text direction from here. Now see, if you want to make it in the if you want to type in the vertical way, now see, there are lots option available. Okay, and another of also align text. From here you can make it in the middle, you can put this one in the bottom. Okay, and from here also you can put your text in the center, you can put your text in the right side. From here you can make it justify also, but it's okay, so I'm using the left. And from here you can create columns also from here. Okay, there are lots option available inside the paragraph sections. And from the convert to smart art, if you want to make this text box to the smart art, in that case you have to choose this one. Now see, it's converting in the smart art. And from here you can change the text also from the text pane, and you can give a color also from here. Now see, there are lots option available, right? Okay, and from here you can move down also, or you can demote also. Okay, and see, there are lots option available, or you can make it right to left also. Okay, and okay, it's okay for me, so I'm creating another slide also. And from the drawing sections you can create lots drawing. If you want to create a text box, from here you can create a text box like this. And if you want a line, you can draw a line also. If you want to circle, you can draw a circle. If you want to a rectangle shape, in that case also you can use this one. Lots shapes available. Or if you want to draw more shapes, in that case just you have to click in the more. Now see, there are lots shapes available. And from the arrange you can put all the shapes inside. You can send this shapes in the back side of the circle, or you can make it to the front also. Okay, and from here you can group your object also from here. Now you can see, if you want to make the both object in the single piece, in that case you have to use the group, or you can ungroup it also. And if you want to regroup, you can use this one, regroup, like before. Okay, from the align you can choose the alignment, where you want to put in the left, you want to put in the center, or you want to put in the right side. Now see, there are lots option available, and you can rotate it also from here. Okay, and you can flip also. And from the selection pane you can see how many shapes available inside your slide. Now see, there are three shapes available inside my slide number 3. Okay, if I click in the slide number 2, now see there is a diagram 22. Okay, and inside my slide number 1 there is a two shapes available. Okay, it's okay for me. And from the quick style you can give lots beautiful styles from here. Okay, and from the shape field you can give a color to your shape. Now see there are lots of color available. From the more fill colors also you can choose a color and you can give a color, and you can use the eyedropper also from here. Okay, if you want to use this one, just click here and leave it. Now see now the both shapes are using same color. Or you can use the picture also inside your shapes from here. Just wait for a moment, it's working. And from here you can use a image also from here. Okay, and you can use outline also from here, which color you want to use. Just first of all you have to choose this one. Now see there is a borders available, and from here you can give a size also, which size you want to give, and you can give a style to your outline also. Now see there are lots of dashes style available, and it will make your shapes unique. And you can use shape effects also. Now see there is preset available. You can use shadow also, you can use reflection also, you can use glow also, soft edges and bevel, and 3D rotation also. Lots effects available. Now see you can use it as per your requirement. There are lots of 3D rotation also available. You can use bevel, soft edges, glow, reflection, shadow, preset, lots option available. Hoping you are enjoying my video series. And now see there is editing section also available. From the find you can find your text. Now see if I want to find hello, you have to type here hello, or you can directly click the you can directly press the Ctrl+F also. And now see it's showing me where is hello. And from the replace you can change this one also. So if I want to make that hello in the hello. So now see if I try to replace this one. Now see before it was hello, hello, now it this one is hello. Okay, you can replace this one like this. And from the select you can select all your text, and if you want to select your object, in that case you can use this one. Now see inside my slide number 3 there is a two shapes available, right? And from the select you have to click in the select and just click in the select object. Oh sorry, just wait for a moment. Select object, and from here you can select this one. Okay, selection pan is same like before. We already used in the arrange also. This one is same option. Okay, hoping you understand about the file menu and home menu inside the Microsoft PowerPoint. If you have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment section, and I'll try to give answer of your questions. Hoping you are enjoying my video, and thank you so much for watching this video. I'll meet with you on another video. Thank you so much. Goodbye. See you soon.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel right now, and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. If you didn't press in the bell icon, you will not get any kind of notification from my YouTube channel. That's why you have to subscribe right now, and you have to press in the bell icon also. So yesterday we discussed about the file in home menu. You can check my playlist which is available in my YouTube channel. And if you have any kind of confusion in my previous video, you can ask me in the comment section. So today I am discussing about the insert menu, which is available in Microsoft PowerPoint, and from today we are discussing about the insert menu. So without any let's begin our tutorial. So inside the insert menu you can see there are lots of section available. You can see there is a slides, tables, images, illustrations, apps, links, comments, and lots of sections available inside insert menu. So yesterday also we talk about the new slide. How can you put the new slide if you want to add more slide in your presentation? Then in that case you can use these features, or you can directly press Ctrl plus M also. First of all, I'll change the layout of my slide from the home menu, and I'll go to in layout. Yesterday also I discussed about the home layout. So now see, you can see there is a one single slide inside my presentation, and there is nothing, it is empty. And if you want to insert more slides in your presentation, you have to go new slide, and just you have to choose the layout. There are lots of layout available: title, slide, title and content. You can choose your as per your requirement, but in this time I am choosing the blank. And there is another option also available. You can see there is a duplicate selection slide, and if you want to create a duplicate slide, in that case you have to click in the new slide, and just you have to click in the duplicate selected slides, and it will make a duplicate slide of your slides. So from here you can slide from outline also, and there are lots option available. Just it's okay for me. And from the table you can use a table inside your slide. So just wait for a moment. I am using a table. First you have to click in the table. Now see, you can use the table in different ways, or you can directly drag a table like this also, or you can insert a table also from here, and you can use a draw table also, and if you can use Excel spreadsheet also, but in this time I'm using insert table. And from here you can give a number of columns and number of rows. So I'm using number of columns is 4 and number of rows is 6, and after this I'm clicking the OK. Now see, inside my slide there is a table, beautiful table, and from the table style, now see, if I click inside the tables, there is an option in the menu bar. There is table tools available, and if I click outside of the table tools will be disabled, right? So from the table tools you can change and you can change the color, and you can customize your table from the table tools. The first option is design, and another option is layout. From the table styles options, you can give different kind of styles. You can see there are lots of styles available inside my design sections, table style sections. If I want to use these styles, then in that case you have to use this one. And when you will apply your style inside your table, after this you have to click in the table style options. There is you can see there is a table style options available in my left side. So from here you can customize the table style options. Now see, there is a header row available. If I remove the tick of the header row, now you can see the header row color is disabled, right? And if I click again in the header row, you can see there is a color inside my table in the header row. And if I click in the table row, now you can see there is a style applied inside my table. Or if you want to use the color in the first column, you can use this one, and you can see there is a color is coming inside my table, right? And if you want to use the color in the last column, you have to click in the last column. You can see there is a color inside my table. So it's the amazing feature of the table tools, right? And from the from the shading, you can give a different kind of color inside your table. Just wait for a moment. I will bring it back my table. Okay, so from here insert, I will insert another table from here. Okay, you can see also, and I'm giving a style to this table. And from the shading, you can give different colors in every cells. Now see, if I want to give the red color here, you can give a color, and if you want to give a green color, in that case you have to choose green color. Now see, my shading is applying inside my table. And other option is borders available. If you want to show and hide your borders, from here you can give. If you want to hide all the borders, you have to click in the no borders, but if you want to show all the borders, you have to click in the all borders. Now see, there is a borders available inside my table. And if you want only border in the outside, in that case you have to click in the outside border. Now
I think it's not working maybe in this time. And there are lots of options available. You can customize your table as per your requirements. And from the effects also you can give cell labels. Okay, now see, there is amazing cells labels available inside my table. And from the shadow you can give a shadow also, and from the reflection you can use the reflection also. There are lots of options available inside effects. And from the quick style you can give a quick style. Now see, there are lots of text effects available. And from here we'll discuss about it later about the order. And from you can see there is a pen style also, so you can use different kind of pen styles. And from here you can choose a size also, which size you want. And from here you can choose a pen color. After this you have to drag. Now see, there is a different kind of borders available inside my table. And if you want to change the border of your table in different ways, in that case you have to use this one. And so I'm using another red color also from here. Now you can see there is a different kind of border inside my table. But it's working because the draw table is activated. If you deactivate the draw table, it will not work. Now you can see there is no any kind of pencil inside my slide. So from the eraser you can delete your table like this. Just wait for a moment, it's not working, I think. Okay, just wait for a moment. I'll delete the table from here. So I'll delete the table. So from the insert I'll go to table and I'll insert another table. So now you can see there is a table inside my slide. Okay, now you can see if I want to erase my table, so I'm applying different kinds of layout here. Now you can see there is a table inside my slide. So from the eraser you can erase your table also. I think it's not working right now, but it's okay for me. So let's move on to layout. You can see there is a option select. From the select table you can select whole table. And and if you want to select only column, in that case you have to click in the select column. If you want to select row, in that case you have to click in the select row. And from the grid lines you can show and hide the grid lines, but you have to select this one. Just wait for a moment. From the design I'll deactivate the eraser. And from the view grid lines you can show and hide the grid lines. So it's not working right now, but if you want to show and hide your grid lines, in that case you have to use view grid lines. And from the delete you can delete your columns, you can delete your row, you can delete your whole table also. And if you want to insert row in the above of your row, in that case you have to use this one. And if you want to insert the row in the below of table, in that case you have to use insert below. And if you want to insert more columns inside the left side, then in that case you have to click in the insert left. And if you want to add more columns in the right side, in that case you have to click in the insert right. From the more cells you can merge your cells. If you want to make if you want to use more cells, first of all you have to select, and after this you have to click in the more cells. Now see, my 3 cells is merged in 1 cells. So from the split cells you can split your cells. Now you can see it's asking me how many columns and how many rows I want to add, but in this case I am using 4 columns from here. Now see, there is a 4 column inside my these cells. And from the height and width I can set the height and width of my cells. Now you can see it's the height and width. Okay, and from the distribute rows, it's the amazing feature of tables. And if I want to make in the if I want to make in same size of my rows, in that case I have to select all the rows and I have to click in the distribute rows. Now you can see my every row size is same. And if I want to make all the column size same, then in that case I have to click in the distribute columns. Now you can see there is a same size of my columns. And from the align left you can just wait for a moment. I'll remove this table also, and from insert I'll bring another table, and you can see from here, if I type something inside my table, you can see I can put the text inside in the center, in the right side also, in the left side also, and I can put this one in the center also, in the down side also, and in the top side also. It's amazing feature, right? And if you want to change the text direction of your text, in that case you have to use this feature. There are lots text direction available. And from the sales margin, you can set the margins of the text inside the cells. Now I'm using this one, the 0.05 in the top side, and in the bottom also 0.05, but in the left and right 0.01. And so if I want to use this one, you can use the sales margin as per your requirement. And from the height and width also, you can increase and decrease the size of your tables. And from you can log the aspect ratio if it is okay for you. And from the bring forward, we'll discuss about it later. Okay, so let's move on. So there is another features available, that is pictures. If you want to insert the pictures, in that case you have to click in the pictures, and from here you have to choose the pictures. Just to wait for a moment. So I'm choosing this picture. Just click in the insert after choosing picture, and when you will click inside the picture, you can see there is a picture tools available inside my menu bar. So from here you can customize your picture as per your requirement. The first option is remove background. If you want to remove background of your picture, in that case you have to use this feature. From the correction, you can change the brightness and contrast of your photo. You can you can increase and decrease the sharpen and soften from here, or you can increase the brightness and contrast from here. Okay. And another option is colors. You can recolor your images. Now you can see there are lots colors available, and now you can see also in my slide my photo color also changing. And from the artistic effects, you can see there are lots artistic effects available, and from here you can give lots artistic effect inside your photo. And from the compress picture, you can compress picture. You can decrease the photo size as per your requirement. And from the change picture, if you want to change picture, then in that case you have to use these options. And from the reset picture, if I decrease the size of the photo, and if I want to bring this photo in its original size, in that case I have to click in the reset picture and just click in the reset picture in size. Now you can see there is a same size available like before. Another sections available, picture styles. From the picture styles, you can use it. Now see there are lots styles available, and you can customize your pictures styles as per your requirement. And from the picture border, you can give a border color first of all. So I'm choosing the red color, and from here you can give the size also, which size you want. Now I'm using 6pt. And you can give more lines also from here. From the weight, from more lines, you can give more line also, how many transparency you want, or which size you want. You can see there are lots option available inside the more lines. Okay, now it's okay for me. And from the dashes, you can give the lots styles to your outline. And from the picture effects, you can give preset, you can use shadow, you can use reflection, you can use glow, you can use soft edge, you can use bevel, 3D rotation, lots effects available inside your picture effects. And from the picture layout, if you want to insert this photo inside the smart art graphic, in that case you have to use this picture layout. And another option is selection pan. We will discuss about it later. Okay. And let's move on. There is another option available, online picture. If you want to use the photo from the internet, in that case you have to use online picture, but you need internet connection. Without internet connection, you cannot use the pictures of internet. That's why you need internet connection. After clicking, you need an internet connection. Okay. And from the screenshot, if you want to use the screenshot of your computer, in that case you have to use this feature. First of all, just go to in screenshot and just click in the screen clipping. Okay, another option also available, photo album. If you want to create a photo album, in that case you have to go to in photo album and just click in the new photo album. From the file index, just select it and how many photos you want. First of all, you have to select your photos, and after this you have to click in the insert and just wait for a moment. After this you have to choose your just wait for a moment. After this you have to click in the picture layout. Now you have to choose, now it's fit to slide, and from here how many pictures you want in one slide. You want 2 picture, you want 4 picture, or you want 4 picture, and you can see in the preview window also. And from here you can choose the frame shape also. Now you can choose a rounded rectangle, you can use center shadow rectangle, lots frame shape available. And from the theme also you can choose a theme. There is lots themes available inside Microsoft Office document theme 15 folders. Okay, I'm selecting the retrospect. After this just click in the create. Now it's creating a photo album. Now you can see there is a 4 photo available inside my one slide. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so I'm going to end the second presentation. And if you want to use the shapes, so from here you can use different kind of shapes. If you want to use triangle, just go to in triangle and drag it. And if you want to use rectangle, so from here you can use a rectangle also. Now you can see also, now see there is a rectangle shapes available inside my slide. And you can use a star also. Now you can see there is a star. There are lots shapes available inside the shapes. And when you will click inside the shapes, you can see there is a drawing tools again opening, and from here you can edit the shape. Now see, if you want to change the point, now you can see my stars points are changing, right? And from the text box, if you want to write some text inside these shapes, so from here just click in the text box. If you want to draw text box, in that case you have to use a text box feature. Okay, so just wait for a moment. And from the format there is another section available, that is shapes available, right? There is a there is one more option available, that is more shapes. From the home I am selecting both shapes. Okay, and after this you can merge your shapes as per your requirement. You can union it, you can combine it, you can fragment it, you can intersect, you can subtract as per your requirement. Okay, this is also new features of Microsoft PowerPoint, and it will help you to create different kind of shapes. So from the shape styles you can choose a different kind of the templates. There is lots options available, lots shape styles available. And from the shape fields also you can choose a color also. You can choose eyedropper. From the eyedropper you can choose a color also. Now you can see if I click in the eyedropper and if I want to use the same color, you can see there is a same color are using, right? And from the picture you can use a picture also inside your photo, inside your shapes. From here you have to choose the photo, right, like this. And from the gradient you can use a gradient color also. Now you can see there are lots gradients available, or you have to click in the more gradients, and from here you have to choose a gradient fill. And from here you can choose a gradient also. You can choose the type. Now I am using radial, or you can choose a linear also. You can use a radial also. And from the direction which is the best for you, you can choose this one. And you can see the gradient stops also from here. Okay, now it's okay for me. And another option available, shape outline. From the shape outline you can give outline color, and you can set a size of the outline also. Before also I discussed about it. Or you can set the dashes also. Okay, And another option available, URAT style, we will discuss about it later. And another options available, bring forward and send backward. From here, if now you can see there is a triangle and rectangle in the same position, right? And if I want to send the green rectangle in the back side of the triangle, in that case I have to click in the send backward. Okay, now you can see my rectangle shape in the behind of triangle. And if I want to bring that rectangle in front of the triangle, I have to click in the bring forward. Now you can see the rectangle shape is in front of the triangle, so you can use bring forward and send backward like this. And another option available, selection pan. And if you click in the selection pan, now you can see it is showing me how many shapes are available inside my slide. There is three shapes available inside my slide. And from here you can hide your shapes and you can show also. Now it's amazing picture, right? And from the align, you can share the alignment of your shapes. You can align in the centers, you can align in the top, okay, as per your requirement. Okay, another option also, group available. So from the group, first of all you have to select, so go to select object and just select it. And now you can group it, and when you will group your object, it now you can see it's moving together, right? And you can ungroup it also. Now it's separate, right? And from the rotate, you can rotate your shapes. There are lots of options available. You can rotate right 90 degree, rotate left 90 degree. You can flip your shapes. Lots of options available. And from the height and width, you can set the height and width of your shapes. Okay, so let's move on. So we are discussing about the smart art. So I'm creating a new slide from here. So just I'll go to a new slide and I'll choose the blank layout. So if you want to use different kind of diagram, in that case you have to use smart art. From the smart art, you can see there are lots of smart art graphics available. You can use list, you can use process, you can use cycle, you can use hierarchy, relationship, matrix, lots of options available. But right now I'm using the matrix. So from here also you can choose as per your requirement, but I'm choosing this one and just I'm clicking in the OK. So from here, when you will click inside the smart arts tools, after this you have to click in the change color, and from here you can change the color also. And from here, just wait for a moment, you can change the layout of your smart arts also. So I'm changing the layout of my smart arts. You can see there are lots of layouts available. And from here you can give lots of smart art styles from here. Okay, now you can see there are lots of styles available. And from the create graphic, you can see there are lots of option available. You can add bullets also. So from here you can use bullets. You can promote this one. Okay, and if you want to use text pan, just you have to click in the text pan, and from here you can use a text also. Now you can also see this one. So from here, when you are typing in the text pan, the text is coming inside my smart art automatically, right? So it's okay for me. And if you want to move down your shapes like this, you can change this one as per your requirement. Okay, and another options available, format. From the format, before also we discussed about it. So let's move on. So from the chart, so for the chart also I'm creating a new slide. Now you can see there is a chart option available. So from the chart you can use a chart also. There are lots of charts types available. You can use column chart, you can use line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, and lots of charts types available. But now I'm using column chart, and so I'm choosing this one and just I'm clicking in the OK. So when I will click in the chart, now you can see there is a window pop up inside my PowerPoint, and from here you can change the data also. Now it's 4.3, but I'm changing it in 5, and you can see inside my PowerPoint chart, it's changing, right? Now you can see this one is changing 12, 10, and you can use this one as per your requirement. And when you will click inside the chart tools will be pop up, and from here you can give a chart styles. Now there are lots of chart styles available. You can change the color also from here. Now you can set the color also from here, and you can edit data if you want to change the data, like from here you have to click in the edit data and it will work. It's coming, so it's okay for me. And if you want to change the chart type, then in that case you have to click in the change chart type. Now you can choose as per your requirement. You can use a pie chart, bar chart, area chart, and lots of options available. And another option is format available. From the format you can do like before. Okay, it's okay for me. And another options available, apps for office. It's not necessary to learn. If you have internet connection, you can use the application of office from here, but you need internet connection, right? And another options available, hyperlinks. Okay, so I'm using a text box from here. Okay, and I'm just typing hello. Okay, and I'm increasing the size of this my text, and I'll give the red color. Okay, now you can see inside my slide number 5 there is a hello. Okay, so now from the insert menu you can give a hyperlinks to this hello. So if you want to use the hyperlink, just click in the hyperlinks, and from here you can give a text file link, and now you can see there is a hyperlink inside my hello world. And another option is action available. You can see the actions from here. Now you can see there is nothing inside my slide, right? And when for this you have to select that your word and just click in the actions, and just wait for a moment. I'm going to in the play sound. When I'll click inside the sound, and the sound will come, the push sound will be play. And when I will mouse over inside my hello link, in that case the sound will come the, just wait for a moment, wind. Okay, and I'm clicking in the okay. And if I go in the slideshow, and from the current slide you can see, if I click here, the sound is coming, and if I click here, the hyperlinks also working, right? If I click in the yes, I think another document will be open. So it is one of the useful program of it is the one of the useful options of Microsoft PowerPoint, and you can use the hyperlinks and the actions together. Another options available, comment. If you want to give a comment inside your text, in that case you have to use comment. Just click in the comment, and from here you can give a comment to this text. Okay, and another options is text box. If you want to use a text box, before also we use a text box, right? And from here you can create a box, and inside this box you can type some text. And another option is word art. From the word art you can create a 3D text, and there is lots of word art available. So from here I'm choosing a word art. Okay, so here is your text here, but I'm choosing the page, I'm typing the page, right? Okay, from here you can see when I will click inside the word art, now you can see the word art style is opening, right? From here you can choose a different kind of word art. Okay, and from the text field you can choose a just wait for a moment, you can choose a different kind of colors. You can choose a picture also, you can use a picture also inside your text box, and you can give a text outline also from here, and you can use a text effects. Before there was shadow, reflection, glow, bevel, 3D rotation only, right? But now you can see there is one of the useful option of the word art. You can see there is a transform also available. From here you can give different kind of transformation inside your word art. Now you can see there are lots of transformation available, right? So it's also amazing feature of Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's move on. Now you can see there is a header and footer. If you want to use header and footer, just click in the header and footer. Now you have to if you want to use the date and time in the header and footer, you have to click in the header and footer, and you can, if you want to give the slide number, you can click in the slide number also. If you want to give the footer, just you have to click in the footer also, and from here you can give. So I am writing by the page, right? So it's also amazing feature, and just click in the apply to all, and you can see there is a slide number and there is a footer available inside my slide. So it's also amazing feature of Microsoft PowerPoint, right? And if you want to use the date and time, just you have to click and just click in the date and time. Now you can see there are different kind of formats available inside date and time window, and from where you can use the date and time. Okay, another options available, slide number. If you want to set the slide number, then it is the one of the most useful options, and you can give a slide number, and you can use the you can use header from here. So I am choosing the business slide. So from here, business slide. So just wait for a moment, slide. So from here, and I am clicking in the apply to all. Now you can see there is, I think there is a business slide. So where is it? Oh, what happened to my business slide? So just wait for a moment. I am going to in the slide number, and from here you can give a notes to head, header and footer. Okay, so you can use this one if you want to give a slide number inside your slide, then it is one of the useful options. Another option available, object. If you want to know to use another softwares like Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, CorelDRAW, in that case you can use this feature, but it's not necessary to use the object. And another option available, equation. If you want to use the equation, in that case you have to click on the equation. There are lots of ready-made equation also available, but you can create your own equation also from here. Just wait for a moment. Now you can see there is an equation inside my table, but if you want to create your own equation from the, you have to click in the equation. Now you can see when I will click in the type equation here, now my equation tools is opening. From here you can use different kind of symbols like this, and you can use fraction also. From here you can use script, you can use radical, you can use integral, large numbers, bracket, functions, lots of options available inside the equation tools. So it's okay for me. So let's move on. So another options available, video. If you want to insert a video, in that case you have to use this one. You can use video in two ways. One is online video. If you have the access of internet, in that case you can use online video also. But if you want to use offline video, in that case you have to use the offline videos. But for this you need I think the MP4 file will not be support. So for this you need AVI and WMBA format video. And for the audio also, just wait for a moment. And if you want to insert the audio inside your slide, just you have to you need internet connection if you want to use the online audio. But if you want to use the audio from the PC, you can use the audio on PC. So from here you can choose your audio. So thank you so much for watching this video. Today we discussed about the insert menu, and tomorrow we'll discuss about the design and transitions. Hoping you will follow my video series, and if you have any kind of doubts about this video, please give me a feedback in the comment section. I'll try to give answer of your questions. So thank you so much. Goodbye, see you again.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. If you didn't press the bell icon, you will not get any kind of notification from my YouTube channel. That's why you have to subscribe my YouTube channel right now. Before we discuss about the file, home and insert menu, and today we are discussing about the design menu. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So inside design menu, you can see there are lots options available. You can see from here you can choose the themes, and from here you can choose variant also. From the themes you can see lots themes available, and you can choose this kind of themes inside your slide. Now you can see there are another themes also available, and every single themes have different kind of effects and different kind of styles. You can use it as per your requirement, and from the variant also you can give different kind of the different kind of colors. You can see you can choose the different kind of colors and different kind of fonts also, and you can use different kind of effects also from here. Okay, and from here you can give the background style also, different kind of background styles available, or you can format background also from here. From the format background you can use the solid fill, you can use gradient fill, you can use picture fills, and lots options available inside here. Okay, so and another options available, slide size, and now I'm using the white screen 16:9, and I can make it standard also, but it is a requirement. Sorry, it is depend on your requirement. And you can use the custom slide size also from here. You can use a white screen, you can use a letter size, A3, A4, lots size available. You can choose a size for the banner also, and it's depends on your requirement. And from the format background also you can change the background of your color. You can use solid fill, you can use gradient fill. From the picture and texture you can use a picture. From the pattern you can use different kind of patterns available. Now you can see there are different kind of patterns available, and you can hide the background graphic also. But in this case I'm using the gradient field. Okay, and from here you can increase and decrease the transparency. Okay, and from here you can increase and decrease the brightness also, and you can choose the color also from here, which color you want to use from here. So it's okay for me, and you can see there are lots options available. From here you can choose the direction. Okay, and from here you can choose the type also. So right now I'm using the linear. Okay, there are lots options available, and if you want to design your slide background, in that case you have to use the design menu. Okay, so let's move on to transition. So now you can see there is also lots sections available inside transition menu. There is a preview, there is a transition to the slide, there is a timing section also available. So if I want to create if I want to insert another slide, just I have to go in the home and just click in the new slide, and you can create another slide also. So I'm choosing the blank slide, or you can directly right click or duplicate slide, or just you have to go in the insert, and from the new slide you can duplicate it. Okay, now you can see I have 4 slides inside my presentation, right? So from here, from the transition right now I am using none. So there are lots of transition available, so I'm using this transition. Okay, and from here when you will use the transition, and after this you can use the effect option. You can use this transition in the vertically, or you can use it horizontally, but right now I'm using the vertical, right? And another section available, timing section. From the timing sections you can choose the sound. Okay, so from here you can use different kind of sound. You can set the duration of your slide, which time you want. And from here there is another option available, advanced slide. There is 2 options available. One is on mouse click, another is after. If you want to change your effect after clicking in the mouse, then in that case you have to use on mouse click. But if you want to change your slide without clicking in mouse click, and in that case you have to click in the after and just set the timing sections from here, and just click in the apply to all. So now you can see there is a transition available inside my presentation, and if you want to see that one, just you have to press F5, or you have to go in the slide through and just click in the from beginning.
Now you can see there is a slideshow is moving. Now you can see my transition is working. Okay, or just wait for a moment. I will change another transition from here. So from here I think I should to choose another transition. So from here I just click in the apply to all, and from here I am pressing the F5 button. Now you can see there is my transitions is working, right? So it is one of the amazing feature of Microsoft PowerPoint, and you can also use these features inside your presentation, and you can make different kind of powerful presentation. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have any kind of confusion about design and transition menu, you can ask me in the comment sections. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will meet with you on another video. Thank you so much. Goodbye. See you again.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon also. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So yesterday we discussed about the file menu, home menu, insert, design, transitions. So today we will discuss about the animation menu, and if you have any kind of confusion about my previous video, you can ask me in the comment sections. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So first of all, I'll go to in layout and I'll make it, sorry, no, it's okay for me. So first of all, I'll write here hello, and I will click in the click to add subtitle, and I'll write here thank you. Okay, thank you. Yeah, now from today we are learning animation. So inside the animation menu, you can see there is lots of sections available. One is animation, and the second one is advanced animation, and the third one is timing sections. So from the first sections we can put animation. See, you can see here there are lots of animation available. You can use entrance effects. The green color effects is called entrance effect, and the images effects also available. And you can see there is a red color effect also, and this is exit effects. And from the motion path also you can use this one. So first of all, you have to on the animation pan. So after opening the animation pan, you have to choose the animation effect. So first of all, I am choosing the animation effect. So you can see there are lots of animation effect, right? So first of all, I'll go to more entrance effect, and I'll choose my favorite, the drop one. Now you can see there is an animation effect inside my animation pan, and if I want to use another effects, I have to go again in the animation, and you have to click in the more effects. Now you can see there are lots of effects available. You can use as per your requirement, but now I'm removing this one. And from the add animation also, you can put your favorite animation to your text, images, and shapes. So you can see here is only text available inside my presentation. So from the add animation, I can see there are lots of entrance effects available, emphasis effects available, and exit effects available. But first of all, I'll choose the more entrance effects. So from here you can see there are lots of entrance effects available, and I'm choosing the drop entrance effect, and I'll click in the OK. Now this hello turn finished. So I'll go in the thank you, and here also I'll click in the animation, and I will choose another entrance effect. And if you want to use the entrance effect, just you have to go in the add animation. Okay, so if you want to bring something inside your slide, if you want to bring your text, if you want to bring your images, if you want to bring your chart, in that case you have to use the entrance effect. But from the emphasis effects, you can use different kind of animation effects. And from the exit effects, if you are trying to exit your
text, your images, your shapes from your slide, and in that case you have to use the exit effects. And from the motion path it will give a direction to your text, to your shapes, to your images. But in this example I am using the text, right? So you can see there is a two entrance effect inside my animation pan. So now again I'm using the another effects, so I'm using the exit effects in this time. So I'll choose another effects. I'm choosing again, I think I should to choose the flip, and I'll go in the thank you, and from here also I'll go in more exit effects and I'll choose the flip again. Now you can see there is a 4 animation available inside my animation pan, and in the timing sections you can see there is a lots option available. The first option is on click, with previous, after previous. And what is the task of the on click? If you click in the mouse and your effect will start to work, then in that case you have to choose the on click options. And what is with previous? If you want to play your all the animation in same time, in that case you have to choose the with previous. But if you want to play your animation one by one, then in that case you have to use the after previous. But in this time I'm using the after previous because I want to play my effects one by one. That's why I'm choosing the after previous. Now I'll go in the thank you and I'll make it after previous. And from here you can choose the duration also, how long you want to play this one, and from the delay you can use the timing also, so how long delay you want to use in your slideshow. And you can see there is a 4 effects available inside my slideshow. And if you want to change the background of your slide, then in that case you have to click in the design, and from the format background you can change the background of your slideshow. And but I'm choosing the another gradient. Just wait for a moment. I'm choosing this one and I'm clicking in the apply tool. You can see after this you can go in the slideshow and you have to click in the from beginning. You can see there is a beautiful animation playing inside my slideshow, right? So it's the amazing features of Microsoft PowerPoint. Now see, before the hello entrance inside my presentation, then after that my exit effect start to work. So you can set your animation using the animation pan. Okay, so and another option also available from here. Just wait for a moment. If I use another animation, so there is lots entrance effects available. So first of all I'll remove all the effects. So I'll remove it also, I'll remove it also, and I'll remove it. Now see, there is no animation inside my animation pan, right? So now I'm using the another effect. So I think I should to insert another new slide by pressing Ctrl+M, but it's okay for me. So I'm clicking this one. So you can see there is nothing inside my slide, only the background color is available inside my slide background. And from the insert I am choosing pictures from here, and just wait for a moment. I am clicking in the desktop, and from here I am using images inside the picture. Just wait for a moment. I am from the camera roll, I am choosing a picture. So I am clicking in the insert. Now you can see there is a photo available inside my slideshow. And from here I'll go to in animations, and from here, from the 8 animations, you can see I'm choosing effects. I'm choosing it fly in, and from the effect option there are, you can see there are lots direction available. Now I'm using the from bottom. It means my slideshow is coming from the just wait for a minute. I'll go to slideshow, and from the current slideshow I'll choose this one. Now you can see my images is coming from the bottom side. And if you want to make this one from top, you have to click in the effect option and just make it from top. Now you can see my images is coming from from the, just wait for a moment. Now you can see it's coming from the top side, right? So you can also set the direction as per your requirement. So, and from the animation painter also you can use this kind of painter. Okay, and there is a trigger also available from the unclick of unclick of picture one. Now you can see, and there are lots of options available, and it is one of the useful options to your Microsoft PowerPoint if you are creating amazing Microsoft PowerPoint slideshow. So there is another option also available, that is motion path. So I am removing these effects. So from the 8 animation I am using the motion path. Now you can see there are lots of motion path available. The first one is basic, another is line curves, another is special, and another also nothing. Now you can see there are lots options available. You can use your favorite motion path from here. You can use heart, you can use octagon, you can use down also, you can use right. There are lots of motion paths available, or you can use the wave also from here. So I think this is the amazing feature of Microsoft Excel. So now you can see there is a beautiful animation playing inside my presentation. So you can also use these features to make amazing Microsoft PowerPoint slides. So hoping you understand about the animation menu, and you understand about the entrance effects, emphasis effects, motion more exit effects, and you understand about the motion paths. Hoping you get some idea about the animation. You get some idea how can you implement the all the kinds of effects inside your slideshow or inside your presentation. So if you have any kind of confusion in this video, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll try to give answer of your questions. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share this video to your friend also who are trying to learn the Microsoft PowerPoint, and give me a like also if you learn something from this video. So I'll meet with you in another video. Thank you so much. Goodbye. See you soon. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press in the bell icon. I'm making a video series on Microsoft PowerPoint. Hoping you are enjoying my video series, and if you have any kind of doubt, or if you have any kind of questions about my video, you can ask me in the comment sections. I'll try to give answer of your each questions. And if you have any kind of compliment, or if you have any kind of suggestions, please don't hesitate to tell me. Okay, so without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So we talk about file menu, home menu, insert, design, transition, and animation menu in our previous video, and you can check that video in my playlist also. So today we are discussing about the slideshow. You can see there is a slideshow available inside my Microsoft PowerPoint. There are also 3 sections available. The first one is start slideshow, and another is setup, and another is monitors. So let's start from the start slideshow. So I'm making a small just wait for a small slideshow. Not small, simple slideshow. My simple slideshow. So I'm using only one hand, that's why my typing is becoming slow. Thank you. So you can see there is a 2 text box, and inside the 2 text box there is some text. So from the animation I'll use first of all entrance effects. So first of all, from the entrance I'll make it drop. Okay, and from here also I'll go to add animation, more entrance effects, and I'll make it which one I think I should to make it fly in. Okay, Now you can see there is a two effects, entrance effects available inside my slideshow. Okay, so from here I'll make it after previous, and from here also I'll make it after previous. Now you can see there is a two text box available, and inside two text box there is some text available. So I'll change the background of my slideshow from the design, and from the gradient field you can see there is some color applied inside my slideshow. Now you can see if you want to play this slideshow, in that case you have to go in slideshow, and you can directly press the F5 keyboard inside your keyboard, or you can directly go in slideshow, or you have to click in the from beginning. Now you can see my slideshow start to playing. Okay, so if you want to play your slideshow from beginning, in that case you have to use from beginning. Okay, and so I'm making this one duplicate slides, and I will change the background color of this this side also. So from here I'm making this one green color, and I'm making this one apply to all. Sorry, just wait for a moment, or just wait for a moment. I'm making this one only. Now you can see there is two slideshow available inside my presentation, and one of them is green color and another is yellow color. And if I want to play from my current slide, it means from the slide number 2, in that case you have to go in slideshow and just click in the from current slide, or you can directly press shift plus F5 also, but I'm clicking in the from current slide. Now you can see my second slide is playing because I choose the from current slide. So it's the benefit of from current slide. So another option also available, present online. If you have internet access, in that case you can see also a free public service that allows other to see your slide show in the web browser. If you click here, you have to connect, but in this case you need an internet connection. From the connect you need just wait for a minute, it's telling me error because I don't have internet connection. But if you want to show your slideshow in the online, in that case you have to use this one, but for this you need an internet connection. From the custom slideshow also you can show your slideshow. Now you can see there is a two slideshow inside my presentation. Now if I want to add this one, you can see just wait for a moment. Okay, now you can see the in my slides in custom, so there is only one slide show. So if I click in the OK, and if I click in the show, now you can see there is only one slide is playing. So you can also use this one if you want to play your slideshow using custom slideshow. First of all, you have to go in custom shows, and you can choose you have to choose in the new, and from here you have to click in the show and it will start to work. Another option is setup now. So from the setup now, just wait for a moment. I'll go here and I'll make it, sorry, I will remove the text box also from here. Oh, so I am removing this one, so I will remove this one also. And okay, just wait for a moment, I am removing the text. Now you can see there is nothing, so I'll go this one, I'll make it, sorry, I'll delete this slide, and from the home layout I'll make it blank, and I'll duplicate this one, sorry, I'll delete this one. So I'll drag a circle, sorry, I'll drag a star. Now you can see there is a star inside my slide number 1, and you can change the color also from here. So from the shape field I am choosing a gradient color, so more gradients, and from the gradient fields you can see I am choosing this type of styles, and I am choosing this type of colors, and from here I am choosing sorry, not linear, I am choosing radial, and from here I am choosing this type of effects. Now you can see there is a stars available inside my slide number 1. So after this you have to duplicate this one, so I am duplicating this one, and again I will duplicate this one. Now you can see there is a 3 star. So first of all I'll change the color of the second star, so I am making this one red. So I'll making this one is black. Now you can see there is a 3 star available in my three slideshow in same position. Now if I went in transition and if I give effects, so I'm making this one is fade. Okay, and I'll make it apply to all, and I'll make it after previous. Now you can see there is a fade transition I'm using right now. So from the slideshow, and if I click in the setup now you can see there is an option available, show options. You can use loop continuously until ESC. You can show without narration, you can show without animation, so you can disable hardware graphics acceleration. You can use this one as per your requirement, but in this time I'm using the loop continuously until USC. Okay, after this I'm clicking in the OK. Now you can see if I press the F5, sorry, if I click in the from beginning, you can see my animation start to play, and it's playing continuously until I'm pressing the ESC. So it's the benefit of loop and it's the benefit of slideshow. There is another option also available, that is hide slide. If you want to hide your slide, in that case you have to use this one. So from here, so just click in the hide, and now if I click in the hide, now you can see there is only one slide is hide. If I press the F5, you can see there is only 2 slide is playing, right? Because slide number 3 is hide. So you can also if you want to hide your slide, so in that case you have to use the hide slide.
Oh, and you can see there is a rehearse timing available inside my slideshow, sorry, inside my Microsoft PowerPoint, and it's amazing feature. If you want to practice to record your slideshow, in that case you have to use this one. You can also read the some text. There is practice makes perfect. Start the full screen slideshow to figure out the perfect timing to each slide. As you rehearse your presentations, PowerPoint will record. Sorry. Now you can rehearse from here, and you can pause from here, and you can resume again. You can go to next slide also from here, and you can record like this is per your requirement. So I think, and the total time your slideshow was even. Do you want to save the new slide timing? I think this is no for me, so I'm just practicing. So from the record slideshow, you can record your animation and you can record your slideshow also. So it's the amazing feature. So you can see there is 2 options available. One is start recording from the beginning, and another is start recording from current slide. So if you want to record your slideshow from the beginning part, the first slideshow, you can use the from beginning, and if you want to record your slideshow from the current slide, you have to use the start recording from current slide. But in this case I am using the start recording from the beginning. And now you can see there is a record slideshow option available, and from here also there is a 2 option available. If you want to record slide and animation timings, in that case you have to use this one, slide. And if you want to record the narration and laser pointer also, in that case you have to choose the narration also. After this you have to click in the start recording. Now it's start to recording. Now you can see my timing also moving on, and from here I can pause the record and I can resume the record also. And now you can see there is a 7-second already recorded. And after this I am clicking in the into buttons. Sorry, just wait for a moment. I am clicking the resuming and I am clicking in the into. Now you can see in the below of my slide, so you can see there is something. Okay, I think my there is some sound recorded in my slide number 2 also available, in my slide number 1 also available. So you can also use this one. Now I think this one is audio
effects available inside my slideshow. And from here you can use the audio tools, and you can choose the playback speed. From here you can play this one, you can add bookmark, you can trim the audio, you can fade in, fade out, and you can set the volume also. And from here you can you want to play automatically, or you want to click in, you want to play on click, you can use this one. You can use the loop also. There are lots of options available, but it's okay for me, so I'm moving on. There is another option available. There is if you want to play the narrations, in that case you have to use the play narration. And if you want to use the timing, in that case you have to use timings. If you want to show media controls, you have to use the show controls. So there are lots of settings available inside the slideshow. And other section available monitors. Now we are using the automatic monitor, right? And from the primary monitor you can use this one, and use the, and you can use the presenter view also. It's telling me that presenter view shows the full screen slideshow on the monitor, and speaker view on another monitor showing a preview of the next slide. Your speaker notes or timer and more. If you only have one monitor, you can use Alt plus F5 to try out. So it's okay. So I'm using the Alt plus F5. Now you can see there is a monitor available inside my document. And if I try to play this one, you can also use this one, show playing transition. So if you want to use like this, in that case you can use the monitor features. It's also amazing features. So hoping you understand about the slideshow. And if you have any kind of doubts about this video, you can ask me in the comment section. Don't hesitate to ask me in the comment section. But you have to subscribe my YouTube channel, and you have to like my video. You have to share my video to your friends and family who are trying to learn Microsoft PowerPoint, who are beginner in Microsoft PowerPoint. You have to share this video to them. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll meet with you another video. Thank you so much. See you soon. Goodbye.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon also. So without any let's begin our tutorial. So before we discuss about the home menu, insert, design, transition, animation and slideshow, if you don't know about that all menus, then you can check my playlist and you can learn about the home, insert, design, transition, animation and slideshow. But from today I'm teaching you how can you use the review menu. So there are lots of options available. You can see there is the proofing section, language sections, comment section and compare sections. So how can you use these sections? So without any let's begin our tutorial. So I'm writing something. Hello sir, how are you? So I am writing this one. Hello sir, how are you? And if you want to check the spelling and grammar, you have to click in the spelling and grammar. Now you can see the spelling is correct. That's why it's showing me that spell check complete, you are good to go. It's telling me like that. Another option also available, research. So from the research you can research something about your odds. So if I search in the book, here you can see I think this is not working this time. The search stops. It's searching, but for this I think you need internet connection. Okay, just wait for a moment. It's searching. I think you understand. And you can see it's telling me that this service could not be searched because you are not connected to the internet. Please connect and try again. So for this you need internet connection. You can see inside there is no internet access in my computer right now. So from the thesaurus also available here. So I'm closing the research, and from the thesaurus you can search synonyms. Okay, so I'm clicking the thesaurus, and from here if you want to search any kind of synonyms, so I'm using a computer and I'm clicking in the enter. Now you can see there is all the synonyms related with computer is coming.
You can see there is processor available, processor, CPU, mainframe, supercomputer, workstation. There are lots of options available inside the thesaurus. Okay, and another option also available, that is translate, and from the translate you can translate your some text in another language, but for this you need internet connection. So without internet connection you cannot use this feature. Okay, from the language also you can set the language of your Microsoft PowerPoint. And from the new comment, if you want to give some comment to your slideshow, you can use this one. Before also we discussed in the insert, right? There is also comment available, and from here also, from the review also you can use the translate. So I'm using the comment. So from the new comment you can see I'm using the comment, and from here I'm using a comment. Okay, and if you want to delete that comment, you have to click in the delete and delete all the comments. You can use this one. And if you want to go from one comment to another comment, in that case you can use previous and next, but in this case I'm using the next and previous. You can see there is only one comments available inside my slideshow. And if you want to show all the comments, you can show this one. If you want to hide this one, just off the show comments. And but in this case I'm removing this one. So from the delete I am deleting this one. And if you want to compare two slideshow presentation, in that case you can compare two slideshows. So I am using the photo album trial, and now you can see it's merging my two slideshow, right? Okay, just wait for a moment. I think it's not merging. So if you want to compare two files, so in that case you can use this one. Now you can see there is a now you can see there is a lots option available, right? Now you can see there is a two slide available, because before I compare two file, right? Another option available, accept and reject, and before I use the comment, right? Now I'm using again comment. Okay, now you can see there is a comment available here. And if you want to just wait for a moment. So from here you can see there are if you want to accept and reject this one, just wait for I am closing this one in the review. Yes. And from here if you want to delete this one, first of all I'll delete this one, delete all the comments. And from the accept and reject you can also use the feature, but I think this is not working in this time right now. Okay, and another option also available, reviewing pan, and if you want to use the reviewing pan, just you have to click in the reviewing pan, but in this time it's not working. Another option also available in the review. First of all I'll give a comment from here. Now you can see I'll delete this one. Okay, and I'll compare another document from here and merge it. Now you can see if you want to accept that slideshow, you have to click in the accept. Now you can see there is a slideshow available inside my slideshow, right? Okay, now you can see. And now from here if you want to reject that one, okay, now you can see I already accepted. And in the reviewing pan you can see there is a details about my slideshow. Okay, so you can also use these features. It's amazing features of Microsoft PowerPoint. So another also in review, if you want to end your review you can use this one. So after this there is no review inside my presentation. So let's move on to view. Inside view there is lots presentation view available, master views also available. So I'm using the so I will start from the presentation view. So first of all I'll go to in normal. Now we are using the normal, right? So you can use this one, outline view also, you can use the slide sorter also, you can use a note page, you can use the reading view, lots section available. Okay, so it's the amazing features. So I'm using the normal. And you can use the slide master also. Now you can see there are lots options available. From the slide master you can create lots different kind of options, and from here you can delete this one. Okay, and from the slide master you can give the placeholder. Lots of options available from here. So but I'm closing the slide master. And now you can see there is a handout master also available, and from here you can give lots handout masters. So you can set the size, you can set the orientation, you can choose the slide per page, how many size you want. Now I'm choosing the 6 slide. If you want to only use 3 slide, you can use this one. If you want to only use 2 slide, you can use this one. As per your requirement, you can choose the master view. So from this from the view, there is another option available. If you want to show the ruler, you have to click in the ruler. If you want to show the grid lines, you have to show this one. But if you want to hide that one, you have to remove the tick line, tick also. So from the guides, you can show the guides also. Now you can see there is some guides available inside my slide. So if you want to show notes, now you can see there is a note option, and you can put some notes inside this one. And if you want to zoom, now I'm using 100%, you can make it small also. Just wait for a moment, it's not working. What happened? So if you want to use this one, okay, now you can see there is a small. And if you want to zoom to 100%, you can use this one. Now you can see it's the zoom working, right? And you can make it fit to window also. And now I'm using the color, and you can make it grayscale also. Okay, so now you can see there are lots of options available, and you can go in the back to color view, and from here you can make it black and white also, and from you can again go into back to color view also. And if you want to create or duplicate presentation, in that case you have to click in the new window. Now you can see I have presentation 2:2, and from the arrange all, you can arrange your all the you can arrange all your presentation from here, and you can use the cascade also from here, and you can use the movie split, switch windows. Now there is 3 presentations available inside my windows. So if you want to use macros, first of all you have to record macros. So first of all you have to give a name. So I'm giving a name, the page. So from here you have to click in the create. So it's asking me sub the page. So it's already open Microsoft Visual Basic for application. If you have the knowledge about the Visual Basic, you can use these features. So after this, just click in the close. Okay, I think this one is and if you have the knowledge about the Visual Basic, you can use this one, but it's not necessary to use this one. Okay, but if you know about the Visual Basic, in that case you can use this one. So thank you so much for watching this video, hoping you understand about the review and view menu. And if you have any kind of confusion about the review and view menu, you can ask me in the comment sections. I'll try to give answer of your each questions. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share my video to your family and friends also. So thank you so much once again. I'll meet with you another video. See you soon. Goodbye.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. So yesterday we discussed about all the menu. You can see there is file menu, home menu, insert, design, transition, animation, and slideshow review. Before we discuss about it, you can check my video playlist also, and today we are discussing about the shaping. Now you can see, I think if there is no available shaping menu, you can bring this one from here. Just you have to go in the file, and from the options, and from the from the customize ribbon. Now from here you can add and remove your menu bar. Now you can see here is a shaping available. So without any let's begin our tutorial. How can you use shaping, and how can you bring the shaping? How can you merge your shape? How can you subtract your shapes? So without any let's begin our tutorial. So how can you bring the shaping menu inside your menu bar?
So now you can see if I remove the tick, now you can see there is no shaping menu, right? But if I went again in the options and from the customize ribbon, and if I tick that one, just wait a second, from the shaping, and I can click in the OK. Now you can see there is a shaping menu available inside my menu bar. So I'll trying to remove that one. So from the customize ribbon, I'll remove this one again. So I'll remove this one. Sorry, just wait. I'll go here, and I think I should do just wait for a moment. I think I should to remove this one from here. I think I should to if I click in the reset, I think it will remove the shaping menu bar also. Now you can see there is no shaping menu bar, right? So I'm creating a new tab, so it means shaping. So from here I'm creating another group. So sorry, just wait, I will remove this one, remove. So from the rename, I'll change this one. So I'll keep the icon also from here. So I'll click this one, and I'm giving the name also, sorry, shaping. Okay, and I'm clicking in the OK. Now you can see there is a shaping available inside my menu bar. Now you can see there is shaping, right? Sorry, there is a new tab available, and inside new tab, wait for a moment, I did a mistake. So from the options, I'll go again in the customize ribbon, and I'll rename it. Just wait for a moment. Where is a new tab? So I'll rename it, and I'll make it shaping. Okay, just click in the OK. Now it's the shaping menu. So you can move this one from here also. Okay, you can bring it down also, and just click in the OK. Now you can see there is a shaping available inside my menu bar, but there is nothing. This is empty, right? So how can you bring that one, the actual shaping options inside the my new custom menu? So inside shaping, I'll go here, and from here there are lots of options available. Just go to in power command, not in the ribbons, and from here just I'll bring the union shapes, and I'll add this one. I'll subtract shapes. Okay, and you can see there is lots option available. Maybe you have to choose this one from here. Okay, just wait for a moment. I'm choosing that one, and from here I'm choosing the intersect also, and I think I should to choose another also. Just wait for a moment. Yeah, I'm choosing the combine shape also, and wait for a moment. I think it's okay for me now. So I'm clicking in the OK. Now you can see inside my shaping menu there is a union, subtract, intersect, and combine. You can bring your favorite option inside shaping. So this is okay for me right now. That's why I'm going in the home menu. I'll change the blank layout, and I'll change the background also from here. So I am filling the gradient fill from here, and I'm making it radial and apply to all. Now you can see there is a yellow color background inside my presentation. So from here I'm going to insert, and from the shape I'm choosing shapes. So I bring a shape, right? So from here I'll drag another triangle also from here. Now you can see there is a two shapes available inside my presentation. So from the select, I should to select all the object. Now you can see my both object has been selected. So from the shaping you can union it. Now you can see it's already union. Okay, so you can subtract also. Now you can see this part is gone, right? And
you can intersect also this one. If you click in intersect, now you can see there is a only middle part is remaining. So you can combine also this both shape. Now you can see this both shape has been combined. Before also we discussed in the shaping options maybe. Okay, just wait for a moment. If I went in the format, now you can see there is a more shapes also available, and from here you can use this feature. But if you want a separate shaping menu, in that case you have to use this feature. Okay, so hoping you understand about how can you bring the shaping menu inside your menu bar, and how can you use the shaping menu, how can you union, subtract and intersect your shapes. So if you get some idea about it, you can give a like and hit the subscribe button. And if you have any kind of confusion about this video, you can ask me in the comment sections. I am expecting your comment in the comment sections. So thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, I'll meet with you another video. See you soon. Goodbye.